Hello semua. Selamat pagi. Nak pergi mana? Penang. Berapa hari? 4. Adik, pergi mana? Penang. Berapa hari?
4.
So, what are you going to do in Penang?
Nothing. Just stay inside the hotel.
She's Studio, tempat kita explore, penuh tawa kasih bertahu tepat. She's Studio, buka pintu cerita, jalan bersama dunia penuh warna. Ingin kita explore, jalan bersama dunia penuh warna.
Hello semua. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini kita akan pergi ke Pulau Pinang untuk Mami ada conference, so kita akan ada staycation di hotel sahaja. So today sekarang dah pukul 5.30, so we are preparing to head out untuk sampai KLIA. Flight pukul 10. So let's go. Okay, so sekarang kita set destination to apa nama tu? KLIA Terminal 2. KLIA Dut. Okay. So insyaAllah 7 o'clock sampai. Bismillah.
Let's take E2 Liberaya Utara Selatan Alor Gajah and E6 Elite Sepang.
Let's go. Bismillah. Subhanallazi sakhara lana. Kali pun amin. Let's go. Okay, kita dah sampai. Apparently dekat dekat sini dia ada parking preferred baru. Preferred parking. So preferred parking ni dia charge by hour dengan maximum dia lagi mahal lah, RM88. So layankan sajalah. Ingat tak nak parking yang dekat tempat biasa, parking A. Tak ada. So kalau dulu kat depan ni ada parking EV apa semua, sekarang sudah tidak ada. Sudah jadi preferred parking. Preferred parking B. So in the end parking jadi kosong sebab dia dah preferred parking. Banyak beg awak? Ha? 2 budak tembam. Bang. Jalan. Okay, just additional info, I think start 2026 Gateway dia ada lagi offer. Dulu 3 hari pertama harga biasa, lepas tu hari keempat, kelima, keenam dia charge RM25. Sekarang dah ada rate baru, nampak tu, dia efektif February 26. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3, Day 4 555, lepas tu Day 5 onward 20, 15, lepas tu hari berikutnya 10. So dah jimat lah, RM10 sehari.
Alright, so I have a huge announcement that we now have an official Discord. Alright, so the link is in our bio. Go check it out if you can. I almost tripped, by the way.
And
It's just central. And yeah.
the Fight Club. Dia ada yang redeem card dia yang tu okay. Menu Yap, So tengok mana? 2 food, 2 drinks per card, right? Okay, kita ada 2 card.
Does it include the this one, nasi lemak?
Boleh lah kalau nasi lemak.
This one for the ala carte place.
Nah, dia orang dia serve nasi lemak.
Oh, okay.
Boleh lah? Nasi lemak 2.
Nasi lemak. Danish want nasi lemak?
Jadi nasi lemak.
Danish, can I have your credit card?
Ah, yes. Okay, so as usual kita ada dekat tempat kegemaran kita, our favourite place, which is a flight club. Sebab kalau masuk lounge pun boleh, tapi sini kita tak duduk lama kan, so kita duduk dekat flight club lah. Kalau untuk macam my card, kita dapat dua orang. Satu card boleh bawa 2 orang, so I can redeem satu orang boleh dekat flight. Ada beza dia dengan lounge, ada lounge admit seorang. Kalau flight club ni, you boleh redeem 2 meal for one person punya requirement lah. So kalau you ada card yang lain, mungkin boleh masuk 1, dia boleh 2 meal dapat. Kalau macam mine, boleh bawa 2 orang, so dapat 4 meal lah. So dia punya food tadi, macam tadi kita tunjuk, dia ada nasi lemak, dia ada mi kari, dia ada wrap, ada western jugalah. Tapi kalau pagi-pagi macam ni, basically nasi lemak dengan mi kari lah. Yang western tu tengah hari sikit. Okay, jap.
There's also chicken rice, my favorite.
Ada apa?
There's also chicken rice, my most favorite rice.
Okay, chicken rice is berapa ringgit?
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Who's great?
30 ringgit. For one meal, chicken rice is 30 ringgit.
ASMR time. You know, every single day we'll do an ASMR.
So why you remove the tomato?
Because I don't like veggies.
Cepat. ASMR.
Changes of
Don't remove the thing inside. And then later I want to eat it. Tengok tu, dia keluarkan semua sayur-sayur.
Don't worry. You can put it in.
Ya Allah, budak ni.
What? I don't like veggies.
ASMR.
You're putting it up to my neck. Wait.
Eh, belum tu belum ASMR. Macam bismillah lagi, bismillah. Okay, cepat. Bite the bread.
Take two.
No, it's just one take. Cepat. Right. Cepatlah. Ooh, that is a nice crunch. Again. So
I didn't get anything.
First you bite the chicken slice. Oh. So review. 1 out of how many out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Yeah. ASMR. Then drink, minum.
Wait. I have the...
Dah basuh, bersih.
No, I have the
Cepat.
straw. You want straw?
No.
Jangan pergi untuk baggage drop. Alright, kita dah settle check-in. Bukan check-in. Dah settle drop bag. So sekarang nak turun kepada Flight Club untuk breakfast. Okay. So nanti kita akan check in dalam pukul 9. Bukan check in, boarding. So makan dulu. Let's go. Okay. So nasi lemak dengan ayam. So that's ASMR. The crispiness of the
Chicken.
bang.
What?
Letak sini. Kita dengar crispiness.
Crust.
Okay.
Minecraft.
I'm gonna bite it to show the crispiness of the chicken. Make it new. Okay, jap. Bismillah. Ayam goreng berempah.
Oh, mommy, while we always walking in the streets. Run, I get out, run, can't hear my heartbeat. How about something different, somewhere sweet? A hotel stay or you me, please, let's make a move.
Daniel, tangan. So we're gonna trust you with the ticket, okay? Go Daniel. Swipe next. Yep. Next. Yep. Say thank you. Hold.
Why do I have to?
Now I can trust you with the tickets now. Huh, Daniel? Give me my phone, mommy. For the first time in my life, Daniel can be trusted with the ticket. So how do you feel? Being first time,
Trustworthy.
being trustworthy for the first time. Tengok tu, dah tak percaya balik lah. Daniel, go! Kenapa? Jalan. Tengok habis bag dia buat tu lah. Right. Daniel. Kita dah boarding. Ha? Air apa? Nak mana? Nanti 1 jam je. We have landed in Penang International Airport. So kita sampai 15 minit awal. So now kita nak pergi ambil bag and then tunggu kereta sewa. Right? Daniel. So, passenger number? Go.
Shortest flight. Shortest flight in my life.
So how was the flight, Daniel? Huh? What? Abang, how was the flight? Okay, good. Come, the bag. Jangan lupa. Setengah jam je? Alright, kita tengah tunggu toilet break. So, kereta akan sampai lagi 1 jam. So, kita ambil Soka. So Soka punya kereta dia pick up dekat Batu Ferringhi and then kejap wait and then dia akan bawa datang sini lah. So expected dalam 12.30. So kita akan tunggu sampai 12.30 lah, another like macam 45 minutes lagi. So for the meantime kita akan lunch dulu kat atas, okay? And then kita wait for the car and then kita go to hotel lah. So which hotel are we going to stay actually?
I have no idea.
We are going to stay at the most boring hotel ever. It's like hotel. How you say it?
Hotel, studio.
If you want to know what is Daniel trying to say, so this is the memory from China. Okay, say it from the beginning. Yeah. Here, the microphone. Here, again.
Okay. Why are we always at
From
Chunmin
Mummy
Street?
lah.
Why are we always at Chunmin Street or
Uh-huh.
why not something different like hotel, Universal Studio? But it's always just food.
So that happens because when we were in China, Mummy was always talking about
Chunmin Street.
Chunmin Street and food. So Daniel was boring and he wanted to go to other places like hotel, studio. So that's the story behind it. Kereta kita dah sampai. Naik hancur kereta dia pakai. So kita delay lebih kurang dalam 1 jam lebih, setengah jam lebih. Kat berapa minit untuk kereta. So nanti kita kena request Soka untuk masa tambahan. So ni tengah tunggu dia masuk tepi ni untuk buat inspection. Tu dia, kereta sudah sampai. Okay, kita dah naik kereta. Aha. Alright, so kita dah ambil kereta. Kereta condition, Soka please lah jaga condition kereta. It's not very good, the car condition. Okay, so now kita akan, nasib baik kita ambil just one way saja because apparently masa kita nak check tu Grab is mahal sikit daripada Soka. So kita ambil Soka lah sebab nak convenient stopping juga. Tapi masalahnya Soka sekarang condition kereta quite bad. So kita akan pergi ke hotel dan on the way tengok kalau ada tempat makan, kita akan berhenti makan dulu. Let's go. Okay, kita dah sampai dekat kedai makan. Telur ikan. Lauk pauk. Gulai kawar. Ya. Kita ambil gulai kawar, ayam goreng, bendi je. Mana? Sup je. Damn.
There's actually
So,
a river right
ni
there.
adalah empangan.
Wait.
What?
There is a river.
You see the water, it's green. So they block some place to make like a barrage, you can see in front there. So they
Why?
stop the water from coming out. So this one the rainwater will be collected here lah. So it's a dam lah. It's a rainwater fresh water dam.
What is that? Oh wait, is that a lighthouse?
No, that's one water, I think pump station maybe.
So this
Ni dia empangan Teluk Bahang nama dia. Nampak?
This is probably the
So
biggest
bawah
lake in my
bawah ni ada trees, everything is under lah. Down here. Nak tengok? Nak stop? Okay, kita kasih dia orang tengok. Apa nama dia? Empangan Teluk Bahang. Nampak? So all batu dia halang daripada keluar belah sana. So this one you tengok there's one like macam level tu. So the water used to be higher, I think. For fresh water, drinking and everything. Nampak? Okay. Hotel?
Yeah.
Bayview Hotel. Nak kena masuk? Ya. Nak kena masuk lagi. Bayview Hotel.
Turn left, then turn right.
Oh, hotel is this? Yang pusing kat sini ya?
Rock. Okay.
Okay, kita pusing.
Turn right.
Why do they need
Check
such
in.
a big pot?
Check in.
Why do they need
Check in dekat Bayview. Abang angkat ring tu.
even though it's
Bayview
not even a big
Hotel.
Yeah.
Apa hotel ni bang?
Hard Rock Cafe. Michael Jackson.
You arrived
MJ.
at your destination.
Dah sampai sekolah lah.
That is 100% true.
Masya Allah. Tahu tak apa. Right, kita dah sampai Hard Rock Hotel, Penang. So, let's go for check-in. Alright. Kita dah check-in tadi. So, tengah tunggu dia, sikit lagi dia nak dapatkan kad. And then, we'll see what's the surprise. Okay, jom kita pergi. Nah, Kang. Ha. Tak boleh. 136. Cari. 136. Hai. Okay. 136.
Look at all those photos.
Of course. Hihihihihi.
Look at the foot. No, this.
Dah cepat jangan bebel, I want to pee.
This place doesn't look haunted. The phone
Tak ada.
doesn't look haunted.
136. Jom sekali, cepatlah. Cepatlah. Cepat. Cepat.
Why does it have to be next to that?
Cepat. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum.
I'm saying, if there's a photo in the room, we ain't escaping.
Abang, why you say wow,
We
abang?
are escaping.
Why you say wow? Letak sini, Kat.
Wow.
Angkat bag. Tolong Mami angkat bag. Tolong Mami angkat bag. Bag Mami, cepat.
There's a photo
Right.
in the room.
So, ni bilik apa ni?
It's
It's a cabana? What does cabana mean?
so
Oh my Allah.
if we want to, we can open and then we can walk in.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. Wow. Okay. Dah settle. Parking kat sini dekat depan Ferengi Walk ni tu. Kita dah return Soka lah. So dia satu kelebihan Soka ni sebab bila kita sewa, kita boleh macam ni ambil sekejap je. So far tadi kita ambil 3 jam, RM80 je. So okey lah. Daripada you bayar Grab pun RM80 tapi tak boleh berhenti kan. So okey lah. So now we're heading back to Hard Rock and mandi pool time. You got what? See, there's a set inside show. Terkejut bang?
Huh?
Terkejut?
Yeah.
Okay dah. You can make edit.
What's that? I'll show you. Stop calling me, that's weird. How about we go to the other one? I imagine that this is the Death Star and then I have to zoom down so fast. Alright, so we're at the top. We just have to wait for 2 more people and then I will show you the trick. This is how you do it. bunch of space. So where are we gonna go next?
The desert.
Where's the desert? Huh? Where's the desert?
It's the beach.
Where's the beach?
Come on, let's go.
Where's the beach? I wanna know where the beach is.
Just follow me.
Come. Okay, it's time to go to the beach.
The river. The beach.
Why are you sick?
Oh.
I mean, like, how is it?
Because it's salt. It's not sand. Oh.
Bro.
Ah, it's raining.
What's oral farming? Bro is not oral farming. Wait, do you want to try and create a sandcastle?
Yeah, we could.
Yeah,
There's
let's
ants. Is it free?
Yeah.
Wait, let me try again.
Excuse you.
No, just watch. Just watch. Just how I did it. So.
You liar.
Yeah, he says I'm a liar.
Cut. Where am I? Where am I? Is this the beach? I'm gonna do a backflip. Never mind, that wasn't a backflip. Wait. Wait. Okay. The pro.
Take my video. Start anyone.
3. Says I'm gonna go for the hoop.
Again.
Okay, totally. See, even Alban did it.
Jangan gini bang.
You woke up. Up on an island. You woke up near the ocean.
Step on video. Start from the beginning.
Alright, anyways. 3, 2, 1.
My turn. Oh, kita dekat sekarang dekat dia punya pool. Okay, so dekat Hard Rock ni dia ada bilik yang ada boleh masuk pool, boleh direct pool access belakang tu. Dan juga dia ada bilik yang biasa kat atas. Dia ada 2 suite dekat bahagian hujung sana. Ada private pool dengan hujung belah sana. Kita dapat belah wing sini saja sebab belah wing sana dia tengah renovate, so tinggal wing sini sajalah untuk refurbish dia. So bilik was quite okay. Tengok yang kita tunjuk tadi. Nas tengah lepak lah. Dia boleh buka sampai pukul 9 malam. Let's play. Right, kau nak buat apa?
I want to put it on his back.
Letak. Buat.
No!
Bunyi apa tu?
Yeah, I think there's something.
Ada.
Abang, I can't Nampak nanti masuk mata, cornea injury lah.
Buat apa tu bang? Baju dah panjang. Tak, dia punya getah dah ni, dah kendur. Mana Daniel? Stand the colony. Ants colony. Nope. Nope. Cannot. Different sand. Different sand. It's not for the pool. Different sand. No, it is not. It is not. It is not. One. Woo! Okay, Danish turn. 3. Dah. Hello. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Sini bang, balik. Gimme. Cepat, I'm throw from here. Sini. Okay bang, tengok. Okay, gonna throw from here. Bounce. What? Oh, benang. Oh, come on, Nene, come on. Hello. So, dah maghrib. Sementara tengah tunggu Grab. Kita pusing-pusing kat sini. So, belah sana tempat kita stay. Belakang ni lobby. Sini dia ada wing lah. So, dekat sini apparently semua tutup tempat tu. Semua tutup, dia buat for renovation. So, dia ada pool 1, 2. Belakang sana ada untuk budak-budak 1. And terus ke laut lah. Kita tengok ni, dia buat macam mana. Memang tutup semua lah, renovate. Start renovate. And then ni yang budak-budak punya pool, tempat main. Okay, kita hari ni tak ada apa-apa sangat. Dia basically hari Ahad, so yang ada music pun dekat Hard Rock Cafe je. Ni Body Rock Gym. Okay, Kids Club. Ni apa? Ni pizzeria. Tempat jual pizza. So, boleh nampak laut di belah sana lah. Ni ada bar by the beach. Dia ada minum. Kita jalan pergi laut. Bilik kita kat sana. Pusing ni. Jom. Sampai pukul 11 malam. Kam. Zone G. So, ya, laut. Oh, ramai gila orang mana. So this is a private beach untuk sini lah. Untuk guest Hard Rock. Tengok belah sana tu, dah ada fire show. Belah sana. Boleh zoom lah. Zoom boleh? Tak boleh, 2 kali je. Ada fire show. Kita balik-balik ke dalam. Berapa dah mahal tapi duduk laut kan. So, bull. Okay, again kat sana ada cabana semua. Dan all the pools lah. Yang ni ada pool yang ada pasir Pool dia ada pasir. Okay, dia kalau selain daripada in-room dining, dia punya makan kat sini adalah dekat Hard Rock Cafe dengan yang pizzeria je lah. Tapi harga memang potong leher punya harga lah. Okay, so ni kita nak pergi depan nak tengok apa dia. Dekat dia punya ni apa ni? Buffet dinner Saturday only. Sadly. So ni dia punya tempat lepak, dan ada rock shop, bar. Dan dekat belakang sana is dia punya restoran makan lah. So tonight tak ada apa-apa. So rock shop kat belah sana. So we'll see. Rock shop. So tak masuk lah. Last ni dia ada teens club. So mana nak pergi? Dia makan malam budak-budak. So kita hantar kat dia orang dulu. So food is here. Jangan sepa. Okay Daniel. Alright. Bismillah. Okay, so kita malas nak keluar. So kita makan bobo McD, budak-budak makan burger. Sambil menikmati pemandangan. Ni dia. Di waktu malam. Okay, so that's all for tonight guys. So check out the view, maghrib. So that's all for tonight. See you guys tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.